But let me bring your attention to your latest court case, the defamation trial, and your stance. We will not be able to talk about it extensively because it's in court, because you've now chosen to represent yourself. But perhaps you could explain to us what you mean when you say that your lawyers are now afraid.
Well, the judge in handling the case got upset one of the days we were interrogating or doing an extensive cross-examination of their only witness, a DSS officer, and they said, look, I'm tired, you got to cut this off. And we told him, you don't tell us when to cut off our cross-examination because they only have one witness. We want to show that this witness doesn't cut it for us. And the judge got upset and asked my lawyer to approach him and kneel down in the open court. So that was the weirdest thing I've ever seen in a courtroom in Nigeria, maybe perhaps anywhere in the world. I've heard stories of judges asking lawyers to come and cut grass in the Southeast, but some of them sound like urban legends. But this one I experienced, and we wrote to the chief judge that this court doesn't look like a place where we can get justice. He said no, he should continue the trial. So my lawyer said they can't continue. And I opted to go before him to represent myself while waiting to get new set of lawyers or a new team, and asked him to recuse himself. So we're waiting for him to rule on that application to recuse himself. Let's remove himself entirely from the case because, of course, we've lost confidence in his ability to continue to, rule on litigate in this matter as the judge.
Do you have any regrets regarding your comments describing the president as a criminal?
Oh, not at all.
Why? Why so? Because some say that you're now a presidential candidate, and this would have an effect on your campaign. Are you not afraid that you could go to jail?
No, I was in jail last year. I've been in jail several times, and I'm not afraid of going to jail because I'm not going to jail as a criminal. I'm going to jail because of my convictions. Those are two different things.
Your conviction that the president is a criminal?
Oh, yes. And that's what we're trying to prove in court. We could have proven it, but they weren't even willing to let us prove our case. And that was why we're asking that they should give us a new judge so that if we find a judge that's fair and fearless, we'll prove it in court that what I said is true. And even in defamation cases, in the civil realm, you can always argue that truth that you are truthful in what you've said, and the justification as a result.